Hi guys, I'm Alex and I'm a Senior Digital Production Coordinator for the Aerie and American Eagle website, and today I'm going to give you a little sneak peek of what I have been doing to stay positive. One of the ways I have been trying to stay positive and keep myself busy during all the craziness that's happening in the world is making empanadas for my friends and family here in Pittsburgh. The empanadas that I make are something that have become extremely popular among my friend group and my coworkers at the Aerie and American Eagle offices. So throughout the last couple weeks, I have been making and delivering orders almost every single day, honestly. Just trying to spread positivity and send a little bit of happiness to everybody. I have a tiny little kitchen, but honestly, I always find a way to make it work in the tiniest spaces because I just love cooking so much. Traditional Puerto Rican empanadas have a ground beef filling, but I also do a potato version because I have a lot of vegetarian or vegan friends and family members. So I found a way to substitute the ground meat with the sofrito to make a really nice filling for the empanadas. Today I have a delivery for my friend Caroline. A little note for her on the side of the bag, and we are gonna go and drop off this little goodie bag with empanadas that I have for her. Hi! Bye!